Greetings ma'am. Our team consists of 3 members. Roshan Das, ID B121046, Abhikar Shrivastava, ID B521002, and Rishabh Raj, ID B321031. So the name of our project is FrameFusion. It is a video utility tool built with JavaFX and FFmpeg to resize resolution, compress using quality, trim duration, and convert videos in MP4, MOV, AVI, and many other formats. This is the UI of our project. You can basically drag and drop any of the video files, or you can simply click to browse the file. You can see that the cover page of the video is displayed here, and many other important information is displayed as well. The resolution of the original video is taken by default here. We can see that it is 1922x1040. You can simply resize the video as per your requirement, say 1000x500. You can decrease or increase the quality of the video as you want, say 52%, and you can even trim the video from one particular timestamp to another, say 10 seconds to 1 minute 10 seconds. Now you can even change the format of the output video. Say for example you want the video to be in MP4 format. You can change the format here, and you can even change the ratio of the entire file. You can make the height fixed. In that way you can only change the width of the file, or you can simply keep fixed width or variable. We'll keep it variable, 1000x500. Now you can click on the information button, which is next to all of the menu tools like resolution. This is what resolution is actually, and you can see the information displayed here, quality, and you can save the file to whatever location you want. And you can see a completion message being displayed by our project, and the video is thus saved successfully. So this is the flowchart of our project. You can see that the user will simply select the input file, and our project will extract the thumbnail and the info using FFmpeg. It will then update the UI and set default output settings same as the input. The user can then customize the output settings and select the output button. It will simply create a new thread for rendering, which is actually done manually. It will then start the FFmpeg rendering in this thread with output settings. The thread updates the progress bar in fixed intervals, and after the rendering is actually finished, the thread is closed.
Let me walk you through the structure of our project. The pom.xml file contains the plugin and dependencies for our project required by the Maven package manager. Inside source main java com-roshan folder, it contains all our program logic, and all the resources are present inside resources com-roshan. The app.fxml file contains our UI information. This can be edited using scene builder. It also contains icons and images, style sheets, and executable files such as ffmpeg and ffprop, which helps us to convert our videos and extract information from them. The main.java file is the main entry class required by the Launch4j while building the exe. All it does, it calls the main function of the app class. Inside the app class, it starts the fxml file, links the style sheets, icons, and shows the UI to the user. The utility file contains information about our supported extensions and method, which helps us to determine if the file is in a supported video format. The info class contains help information for our user. The controller class contains all the UI elements of JavaFX as its attributes, which helps us to interact with them. It contains methods such as switch controls, which helps us to enable or disable the output setting controls. Set thumbnail and info, this function helps us to extract the thumbnail and input video information, which further updates the default output settings. The method convert and save, which helps us to convert the video and save it according to the selected output settings. We are doing so in a new thread because we don't want to lag our JavaFX UI thread. We are also setting that thread as daemon, so that if the user quits the app when the processing is being done, the thread stops at that instant instead of continuing at the background. Every 1% we are updating the progress bar, and when the status is done, we are resetting the progress bar back to 0 and enabling the controls back again and showing the help message, showing the help dialog box that the process is finished. This function helps us to implement the drag and drop and click logic for selecting the input file. This function helps us to show a dialog box based on the title. The information is collected from the info class. These are the functions which are called whenever the small eye icon beside the output settings are clicked, and the initialize function is called automatically whenever our UI is launched. It calls the switch control function with disabled set as true, which disable all the output setting controls, and links the percentage label text with the slider and sets our supported video formats in the output format selection box.
Clone this repository. I have cloned this already in my web file. This is FrameFusion. After that, we have to install the Maven package from this link. After downloading it, we have to add its bin path in our Windows path file environment variable. So I have already pasted it here. It is here, so no need to do it again. Now after that, we have to install the Maven package for Java in VS Code. So after opening this, we have to install the Maven extension. We can see that it is also already installed in VS Code, so no need to do it again. Now after that, we have to download FFmpeg file, and after that we have to put the two exe files in this path. I have downloaded this file already, and I have also put these two exe files in the specified path. Let me show. Yes, these are two exe files. After that, in VS Code we have to open the clone folder. So let me open that folder. Now after that, following this Maven, FrameFusion, after that plugins, I have to compile it. It has been compiled successfully. Now run it. We can see that this is working, but we can't give this directly to the user. We have to build a final exe file. For that, which we will use the launch4j. Through this link we can download it. I have downloaded already. Now we can see that there is a jar file. Now in this, I have to include the jar file which is in the target. Yes, this is the jar file. So I have to include it, open it. Now where I want to install final exe product. Now we have to add the icon. This is the icon. Now we are all done. Now it is created successfully. It is created here. This is a framefusion.exe file which we can give directly to the user. Thank you.